Okay. There's trails over there. There's a sand pit to the left. Let's get a lay of the land. Oh, there's some bathrooms right there. That might come in handy here. Yeah, just a little bit of sand, huh? This is a little rocky and sandy, not the best. Here, these guys out here. They're just out there jamming, huh? Alright, I'll tell you, it just rained recently, so it's not bad out here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. Whew. Alright, this is a sand pit. That's a mud pit. We'll go check that out. But this place is intense, dudes. Damn it. Couldn't click the gear. Whoa. Alright, so the hard part about the sand dunes is you can't really tell you don't want to get stuck in that shit. Muddy water, shit's like cement. We've learned the hard way. Whoa. I think that's all cement mud. Guarantee it is. We want to stay out of that. Go back this way. This can get dangerous if you get stuck in here. Not in a bad way, but just it means you're going to spend all day getting your bike out of the mud. Yeah, look at that. Go back and check out my video where I got stuck in the quicksand. Not fun. You can't tell. This is so uneven. Thick. Thick sand. Yeah. All right. That'll build you up a sweat. Yeah, of course I'm sweaty. Let me just say though, it is a perfect day to be out here temperature wise. Alright, so there's trails back here. The A trail they call it, huh? Okay. Oh shit. Which way do we go, guys? A trail, huh? Oh, this is so deep. You sink. What's this? Which trail's which? I don't know what these signs mean. What does that sign mean? What the F does that even mean? Look at this sand, dudes. Holy cow. You guys have no idea. I wish you could see. Look at this. Big wood in the road. This is cool though. Whoa. See, I'm, man, literally sliding everywhere. See, I don't know where I'm at, so I don't want to gun it. Second trail. Actually, this trail looks better. Look at these big tree trunks. Down. Well, here's the thing. There's an obstacle ahead of us. Look at this. Oh, it's just a tree. I thought it was blocking the path.